Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in the game lobby, open settings, and go straight to HUD layout. Once there, make sure the Hipfire Reticle option is enabled so you can see changes live. You want immediate feedback, so enable preview mode and keep a match ready to test. Next, select the reticle element. You will change style, color, and size from that panel. Don't pause. These first steps unlock the controls you need to edit the Hipfire Reticle now. Now you dive into the detailed options. Pick the style that matches your play, dot for precision, circle for spread feedback, crosshair for consistency. Next, adjust size and opacity so it stays visible without obstructing targets. A 0, 5 to 1. 5 scale range works well depending on screen size. Change the color to a high contrast hue against typical map tones. Finally, position the reticle slightly off-center if recoil patterns demand it, and hit save to lock these detailed tweaks. Finish by immediately testing in a practice match. Check how the Hipfire Reticle behaves under movement and recoil. Make small iterative changes. If shots feel off, reduce size or boost contrast. If it obstructs vision, lower opacity. Once satisfied, save a HUD preset so you can revert quickly. If changes don't apply, try clearing cache or reset HUD to defaults, then reapply your settings. If problems persist, reinstall or update the game to repair corrupted UI assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.